But now we're going to move down to my favorite one. So one of my favorite sports trainers many, many years ago was I was learning some different techniques from him. He had a really great saying. His saying is, if you want back pain, don't move your back. If you want back pain, don't move your back. Now, to an extent, Kent, we're not going to move your back too much, okay? Because you have an injury. This is just if you're like stiff, okay? But if you have an injury, move only as much as is safe for you. If there's instability, we're not gonna press our luck on this, okay? But this will have something for you. And it also, I'm not going to say this increases and enhances your bedroom performance, but I will say that repetition is the mother of skill. So what we're going to do is, instead of doing a back roll like you may have seen before, what we're going to do is we're going to put our hands on our hips. Now, when we do this, I'll turn to the side. I'm going to stick my butt out and arch my back, and I'm going to bring it all the way to the side, all the way to the front, and tuck my pelvis underneath, and then all the way to the side and all the way back. So I'm doing a full hip roll all the way around while getting the maximum amount of circular stretching through my lumbar spine. So as I do this, I can put my hands up here just to rotate, just to isolate this and remind myself, don't move my shoulders. And this, if you're a belly dancer, you got this anyway. You just need the hands, the finger symbols, and you're good. But from here, we're going to go all the way around, front, back, front, back, front. This is hula hoop champion territory right here.
Don't forget to breathe.
Oh, don't forget to breathe.
I was holding my breath.
Somebody got this whole time reading it. 5 and 6 and 7. One more. 8. Now reverse all the way. 1 and 2. Are you in the full range of motion? 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. 2 more. 7 and 8. All right. A little bit interesting. A lot of people start to feel some interesting sensations in their hips after they've done this a little bit, because they're not used to using our hips in this way. If you sit at a desk a lot, this is going to be a super important exercise for you in order to keep your mobility, because 8 hours of sitting, they say sitting is the new smoking, very unhealthy for you. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go back through this exercise again to get this opportunity to go through this for the neck, for the shoulders, for the wrists, and for the hips again. You can do this in almost any joint in the body to help increase your range of motion, release and relieve your pain, and increase your endurance. But we just don't have enough time to go through all of those right here. So 4 big major muscle groups and joints. I think that's going to be good for today.